make it sports if I was in the
breakfast.
I don't think I had energy make that.
Good morning. Oh man, that breakfast was so good at the station. Biscuits and gravy, eggs, and like a sausage hash brown casserole thing. But it did put us all getting on trail on a late start, so the shuttle didn't take us to all the hikers to the trailhead till 10. So needless to say, and have about it was about a 2-mile climb to start out with. I mean, it's kind of up and down, so it's not just a straight up. Thank goodness, like right now it's kind of flat, which is nice. But I think after that, for the most part, the rest of the day is not too bad. It's like nothing like super steep, I think. Need to look. But then tomorrow isn't too bad either, I don't think, until the end, until you get so tomorrow I'll go into Boots Off Hostel. Yeah, I know, I was just here and I'm gonna go there, but I haven't actually taken a day. I mean, I've just been hiking pretty decent miles for me every day. So but Boots Off's kind of in this section where there's like bear activity pretty heavy, and there's not really anywhere to camp anyway, so you kind of have to stay at Boots Off. Which is fine by me. I'm all for another shower because I'm literally already just nasty. I just came out here because it's so humid. I'm just pouring sweat. Oh my God, there's a fawn in the grass. And I don't know where the mom is. I don't want her to come out and like attack me. What is wrong, buddy? What if he's hurt? He's like laying there not moving. Oh. Mom, where you at? Are you okay, buddy? Oh. Is it hurt? Oh, where's the mom? Where's your mom? Oh, you're scaring me, little guy. Are you hurt? Oh, you're so little. I don't see your mom. Oh. Oh, poor little thing. Where's your mommy? Bye, baby dear. Bye, Bambi. I hope your mommy didn't get killed by a hunter.
No.
And you're left out here all by yourself, you poor little guy. Oh, I'm probably scared the crap out of you. Okay, we're leaving. I'm leaving now. Oh, man. That, like, worries me. Because she was on the ground. And it wasn't even, like, bawling, like, for its mom or anything. So, like, makes me wonder if something happened to its mom. Oh, wait, there he went. Okay. Whew. I think I just saw him walking down there. I was like, is it injured? And I thought, well, maybe that's his way, like, it's like trying to play dead so he don't hurt it. Oh, poor little thing. Yeah, I think I just saw it walking down the trail. It was either that or a fox, but I'm pretty sure it was the fawn. But where's his mom at? So why don't you come like try to beat us up? Oh, wow, that was crazy. See one so close. Just see, he was right on the trail, laying on the ground. Oh, back to hiking. So pretty. Oh yeah, and today I crossed the 400-mile mark, so that's pretty cool. And there's a waterfall on this hike, Jones Falls, so I may stop there and do like a lunch break or a break. It's only like 3.5 miles from here. I'm not sure if I'll be ready for lunch. I had such a big breakfast, but I'll at least stop and take a break for sure, cool off. I mean, this humidity, whew, man, it just like you're drenched in sweat, you know, even if you're not exerting yourself. Oh, hello, Mr. Roly-Poly. Wow. Look at this beautiful tree. It's a big oak tree. I think, is that an oak? That's a big oak tree. Ooh, it's nice and shady too. Well, I've done, like, I think the biggest up today. There's some like little, really, really short ups. So I don't even almost count those because they're so short. Yeah, but I've gone down for a little while, so that's pretty awesome. It's really pretty through here. Let me show you. It's nice. Now they did it right. Put some arrows. That's how you do it. There's a cemetery. I'm always curious when there's like just random clothes on the trail. Like, I don't know, underwears and yeah, that always kind of, I find it weird. Well, that's not creepy or anything. Huh. Well, this is where the blaze had to go. For sure. Yeah. Oh, guys, looky here. 400. Woo, it's like backwards. Oh, man. And there's another one. I'm all over. There's another one right there. This is the way. Oh, yeah. Ooh, ooh, 400. I know, it's not that many, but hey, it's a lot to me. 400. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. This is awesome. And look, there's even like a little, well, there was one. It was like a 400 leaf. It got messed up. So cool. All right. Now I just have like a little over half a mile to the falls, which will be nice to sit there and get cool and drink water and relax. Oh yeah. All right, Jones Falls is here. It's off trail, a 1/10 of a mile, but I think it's gonna be worth it. I'm gonna put my feet in the water for just a little bit. I might get off trail for that, especially for a waterfall. Oh wow. Beautiful. Oh man, it's nice. I'm gonna put my feet in here. Oh, that feels so good. Oh man, putting my feet in that cold water did the trick. Oh man, oh it felt so good. My feet feel nice. So there was a stream crossing just back there, and I bent over to like splash water on my face, and my phone fell in the water. But luckily it's fine, and it's in this otter box, and it was only in there for like maybe a second because I grabbed it as soon as it fell. Yeah, but whew, that was a close one. I should know, but I always try to remember to zip my pocket before I do anything, take my pack off or whatever. I wasn't thinking, I was just thinking about cooling my face. Oh, cool. There's like a cave behind it. You can walk behind the waterfalls if you wanted to. I like to go stick my head under that water. I mean, it would make a difference because my head's soaked, my shirt's soaked from sweat. The view of the day. Whew, look, there's this nice little bench. I'm gonna rest for a second. I guess I'm getting tired. I just fell. And you can't tell. Like, I mean, I practically face planted. I don't even know what, I tripped over a root that was hidden. And like my legs took off running, but I couldn't keep up. My upper body couldn't keep up, so I fell forward. That's the first time I fell since I've been on the AT. Oh man, I mean, luckily I think I scraped it just a little, not super bad. It scared me more than I think than anything. But I don't think I did too much damage. I didn't hit any rocks, thank goodness. Oh God, I'm just ready to be done. And I'll be honest with you, I think I'm even more ready because it's been like this trail. I mean, it's been great because the terrain is great. It's not rocky, or it's a little bit rooty, but not bad. But it's been in like this rhododendron forest, and it's been real dark, and you can keep hearing the thunder. It's been thundering for hours. I mean, lucky, and it's not raining on me, but it just kind of has everything really gloomy, and I've been by myself for like hours and hours and hours, and I don't know, I'm just like ready to see like light, and I want it to be more open, and I'm looking to try to camp maybe a couple miles from where I'm at. And I'm just ready to be there. I still gotta like blow up my mattress, put my tent up, cook dinner, and I am just pooped. And it's 6:30. And honestly, by now I would have probably already been to camp because I would have started really early. But we didn't get started until after 10. So I'm really behind. Oh God. Ow, my knee. It's a little. Yeah. Anyway, so I haven't really been filming a whole lot, guys. I mean, for a while, because I've just been trying to get where I'm going. So now I think I'm limping a little. Okay, so I'll catch you when I'm at the campsite or whatever.